I left school and went into childcare, and then I had my own children, and I knew I wanted to stay in care, but I didn't want to go back into childcare. So I come into the adult side of things, and I've already got an apprenticeship in childcare, so I thought I'd get one in adult care. I never really got on with college. It's just too much work all at once. It's easier like this, so that I'm working, I'm earning. Before I started my apprenticeship, I thought it was going to be a lot of work and it was going to be hard, but there's been a lot of support and it's been okay. My apprenticeship has helped me develop my skills in understanding different people from different parts of life, the behaviour side of things, which have been helpful outside of work as well. The benefits from doing an apprenticeship has been the freedom to be able to come to work, learn at the same time. It's a lot easier because it's practical, it's hands-on, it's not writing it all down in the classroom and then a couple of years later putting it into practice. So I'm more confident to do things now and how to approach different situations. Things are very different from childcare to adult care, so it helps me develop the skills from looking after children to looking after adults and give me more confidence in doing that.
I'm working as a carer for like more than 2 years. I have studied in a completely different field. I just felt like having a qualification or certificate in the field which I love to work. I'm on level 2 right now. So after I finish this level 2, I think of going to the higher level so that I can apply for the managerial post. I see myself in a higher position than what I am right now. So they encourage us as well to apply for the promotional post whenever there is a vacancy. Being a full-time carer, managing the personal life, professional life and the study, I think that's the key skill I have learned. Every day I learn new things, I get to see and discuss with the new people. So yes, there is a really positive impact in my personal and work life. So as a person, I think I can go further in the work-wise. Like I'm a carer today, I can be a senior tomorrow with the experience, and I can be a manager in the future if I keep doing the higher levels of apprenticeship.
I have started working in a care home since 2017. So I found the role in healthcare sector quite interesting. When I started working here, I was thinking I would like to be a nurse one day. So that was my main goal. But after working here, I found so many different pathways to go through. Before I start this apprenticeship, I was thinking it's going to be really tough, challenging for me, but beginning of my apprenticeship, I have noticed that the tutor I am getting, they are really kind and friendly. They are always supportive. They always try to balance my working time and the study time. After finishing my apprenticeship, I would like to use all my knowledge and skills in my practice firstly. And after that, if possible, I would like to grow more, so I will be applying for next level.
I'm actually an ex-journalist, so I know it's shocking, but I used to work for a newspaper called The Informer, and I did journalism for 5 years. Then, when my kids were little, then I decided I don't want to earn money like this, so I want to look after people. And I've been doing it for a long time, and I actually really enjoy it. As they went to secondary school, this place opened up, so I've been here from the beginning. So it's for 5 years. Then I came here and then I did my level 2 and 3 while I was doing domiciliary care. Then this opportunity came up, so I thought, why not give level 4 a go? I want to open up my own place one day, so I might as well I want to do the 5 as well, keep going. So I'm only 42, so why not? My tutor, she's really good. Whenever I need to call her, she'll answer the phone. She does respond to emails. Anytime I need to speak to her, she'll call me back, so she's really good. The main benefit of doing this apprenticeship is gaining more knowledge, I think, and getting more confident in what I'm doing and learning new things, because you're never too old to learn. Every day you're learning something new, even when it comes to medication. No day is the same. If somebody was thinking about doing this apprenticeship, I would say to them, go for it, give it a go. It's not as hard as you think.
I just finished my apprenticeship and I've been planning to progress within the role of a home manager, perhaps someday, if given the chance. I'm happy where I am now, but with finishing my apprenticeship, I think it has given me a bit of confidence to tackle what's ahead. Apprenticeship is the most practical way to develop, especially for nurses, because I think it's putting the balance with work without going to the stress of going or traveling to universities, is learning while you are working. That's the best advantage of an apprenticeship. I've expected that it would be a bit tough, but it's something that's doable while working in a care home. It helped me a lot. Working on my communication skills has helped me with dealing with the day-to-day tasks. Even with a simple telephone call, it has given me confidence on how to talk to other people. I think apprenticeship is the most practical way to have a qualification that would be able to help us further our careers. Well, I'm speaking for myself as a nurse because it opens to more opportunities like being in management.